guys, Jasmine Bryant here, and I am super big on living a low tox lifestyle. So what does that mean? That means I love to find solutions that have fewer toxic chemicals to all of the things that we do on a regular basis. So today I'm going to focus on nails. So I have, nail polishes that are like 7, 8, 9 free, which means it'll have a lot fewer parabens, a lot fewer chemicals, endocrine disruptors, all of the things that we don't want. But then you still have to take the stuff off. So what are our options? This is a nail polish remover, polish off, and they try to get you by saying, look, we are antibacterial. I have vitamins A and vitamins E. So, must be good for you. But then you read on the back and it's all of this stuff that I don't have a chemistry degree. I don't know what the heck any of this is. No. So why am I gonna put this on my fingers? So then what's a girl to do? Have naked hands all the time? Nope, don't have to do that. Cue the lemongrass essential oil from doTERRA. So lemongrass, nothing in here but lemongrass, guys. And look at this. Smells delicious. I'm not even gonna open that other stuff because I don't want it in my nose, but got lemongrass on, put some on my tongue, totally fine. I'm good. So I'm helping my body when I do that. I'm harming my body when I do this. So we're going to use the lemongrass to take away our nail polish. So I've got my organic cotton rounds. So I'm going to put a couple drops of lemongrass on the cotton round, and I'm going to take off the polish. So here's the thing. And actually I'm going to just put a drop right on. I find that to be a little bit better. But here's the thing, right? It's not going to remove the polish super fast. You have to put in a little bit of work. It's not going to be as easy as the acetone, or just make sure you can see that. It's not going to be as easy as the acetone. It's not going to be as fast as the acetone, but it is going to be just as effective because you are going to have a nice, healthy nail without any toxins. So just one more swipe of this. And this was a DIY manicure, by the way. So I had, I don't know, 3 coats or something of polish plus the top coat, and doing dishes means it doesn't last very long. So look at that, shiny, it feels good, and all the polish is off. So now I just have to go, see, look, that's from doing dishes, guys. Housework, not good for your manicures. So there you go. Quick, not as quick as the chemical stuff, but it's still pretty fast. And it's also very effective. You're going to help the environment, help yourself, and be much better off for it.